Imagine a continent so vast, so cold, and so mysterious that it feels like another planet. This is Antarctica, the Earth's southernmost continent, a world of ice and wonder. But have you ever stopped to think, why is it so incredibly icy? It's not just cold. It's a deep, profound freeze that has lasted for millions of years. Today, we're embarking on a journey to the bottom of the world to uncover the secrets of Antarctica, from its icy origins to the incredible life that thrives in its extremes. This is the story of the Great White Continent. To understand why Antarctica is a fortress of ice, we need to travel back in time, about 34 million years. Back then, the world was a much warmer place. Antarctica wasn't an isolated frozen landmass. It was connected to South America and Australia, allowing warm ocean currents to circulate around it, keeping it relatively mild. Trees and animals, now long extinct, roamed its lands. So what changed? The answer lies in plate tectonics. Slowly but surely, the continents drifted apart. South America and Australia moved north, and a powerful new ocean current was born, the Antarctic Circumpolar Current. Think of this current as a giant natural refrigerator. It began to swirl around Antarctica, completely isolating it from the warm waters of the north. It acted like a thermal barrier, a massive, cold moat protecting the continent. With the warm currents cut off, Antarctica began to cool rapidly. Snow that fell no longer melted in the summer. It just piled up, year after year, century after century. Over millions of years, the immense weight of all this snow compressed the bottom layers into dense, blue glacial ice, forming the colossal ice sheets we see today. That's right, the ice in Antarctica is literally ancient compacted snowfall. And just how much ice are we talking about? It's almost impossible to comprehend. The Antarctic ice sheet covers an area of nearly 14 million square kilometers, which is roughly the size of the United States and Mexico combined. On average, the ice is over 2 kilometers thick. In some places, it's nearly 5 kilometers deep. If you could stand at the bottom of the ice sheet at its thickest point, you'd have to look up past the height of the Alps to see the surface. This immense ice sheet holds about 90% of all the ice on Earth, and incredibly, about 70% of our planet's fresh water is locked away within it. If it all melted, global sea levels would rise by a catastrophic 60 meters. But Antarctica isn't just one giant flat sheet of ice. Beneath this frozen blanket lies a hidden continent, complete with mountain ranges, valleys, and even volcanoes. The Gamburtsov Mountains, for instance, are a range as large as the European Alps, but they are completely buried under kilometers of ice. And then there's Mount Erebus, one of the most active volcanoes on Earth, its fiery crater contrasting starkly with the frozen landscape around it. It constantly spews out steam and gas, and even crystals, into the frigid air. Imagine a land of fire buried under ice. Life in Antarctica might seem impossible, but it is incredibly resilient. The continent itself is a polar desert. In fact, it's the driest continent on Earth. Some areas, known as the dry valleys, haven't seen rain or snow for millions of years. But the surrounding Southern Ocean is teeming with life. The cold, nutrient-rich waters support a massive bloom of phytoplankton, which are the foundation of the entire food web. Tiny crustaceans called krill feed on this phytoplankton in swarms, so dense they can be seen from space. And everything else eats the krill. This is where we meet Antarctica's most famous residents. Adelie, chinstrap, and emperor penguins waddle across the ice, gathering in massive colonies to breed. Seals, like the massive elephant seal and the fierce leopard seal, patrol the waters and haul out on the ice floes to rest. And then there are the giants of the deep. Whales, including humpbacks, minkies, and the colossal blue whale, migrate to these waters every summer to feast on the abundance of krill. It's a vibrant, thriving ecosystem, a testament to life's ability to adapt to the harshest conditions imaginable. For centuries, Antarctica was a myth, a terra australis incognita, or unknown southern land that geographers believed must exist to balance the northern continents. It wasn't until 1820 that it was first sighted by human eyes. The heroes of the heroic age of Antarctic exploration, men like Roald Amundsen, Robert Falcon, Scott and Ernest Shackleton, embarked on treacherous journeys pushing the limits of human endurance to be the first to reach the South Pole and explore this new frontier. Their stories are epic tales of courage, tragedy, and survival against impossible odds. Today, Antarctica is not a place for conquest, but for cooperation. The Antarctic Treaty, signed in 1959, dedicates the entire continent to peace and scientific investigation. It's a natural reserve, a global laboratory where scientists from all over the world work together to study everything from climate change to the mysteries of the universe. The ancient ice cores drilled from the ice sheet act like time capsules, containing trapped air bubbles from hundreds of thousands of years ago. By analyzing these bubbles, scientists can reconstruct past climates and understand the changes our planet is currently undergoing. But this pristine wilderness is facing a threat. As global temperatures rise, the ice is beginning to melt, particularly on the Antarctic Peninsula, one of the fastest warming places on Earth. The collapse of massive ice shelves and the retreat of glaciers are stark reminders of our planet's changing climate. The future of this magnificent continent and its profound impact on the rest of the world depends on the choices we make today. From a land connected to the world to an isolated ice kingdom, from a mythical land to a beacon of international science, Antarctica's story is one of dramatic transformation. It's a place of breathtaking beauty and brutal extremes, a continent that holds the secrets of our planet's past and the key to its future. It reminds us of the power of nature and the fragility of our world. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey to the bottom of the Earth. If you enjoyed this exploration of Antarctica, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the wonders of our planet. Let us know in the comments what other mysterious places you'd like us to explore next. Thanks for watching.